Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2012 Ram 1500 in an ST trim and powered by a 4.7 liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. And as you can see, has some vent shades on the windows and a nice color match canopy on the back to keep your belongings covered and protected from the elements. And recently detailed, so it is looking nice and clean. Do also have running boards down below here, but let's take a look inside. So first, looking at the back, where you have pretty spacious seating for three that can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal your storage compartments underneath here. You do have two cup holders in the middle there, and then underneath your floor mats here you have some pretty deep compartments for storage on both sides as well. And this vehicle does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 179,338 kilometers. I believe you can also cycle through your trip A and B mileage there. So there's that, outside temperature, eco. And then moving down to your steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your cruise controls, and on the left hand side you have your buttons to cycle through your stuff, just like the stock there that I was just pressing. And there's that. Moving on though to your center, your infotainment center, which is radio, SIRIUS, CD, auxiliary, and I believe that is it. But you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. Moving down from that, you have your tow haul mode button here, your traction control shut off, and your hazards. And below that, you have your climate controls here, just on 3 dials, very simple, easy to use. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls, and on the right, you have a little cubby there. Just moving to your column shifter real quick, you do have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving down from your climate controls, you have 3 cup holders that fold out like so you can have plenty of beverages. And then you have a 12-volt power outlet there, and another one right there, so you can plug something into power or charge. You also have a sizable cubby there above your glove compartment for some more storage. But then moving on to your center console, which is nice and padded, and is a compartment as well, inside of which you have these little dividers, which can be folded down, of course, and just plenty of space for storage. But then this does fold up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so you have plenty of seating in this truck for you, your family, friends, crew, whoever you want to bring along in this vehicle. Then you have some extra little cubbies down here, but I believe that should cover our look at the interior. But now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.